This little gadget right here is amazing for whomever has problems with their hands. Arthritis, carpal tunnel, any of that. It's an old gadget, but I decided I would share it and the way it functions. Farberware. All you do is place it on the can, which happens to be Pink Pride Salmon. And that's the button you press. And then you just let it go. Sounds like the battery is down. But if you can see it, it's going around the can. Hopefully it'll go all the way around. But you do nothing but place it and press it. And it usually opens the can. Hopefully there's enough battery power for it to open this can. Come on, come on. Do it. I want to share this with whoever has problems with their hands, opening cans. And then you just let it go. Usually it continues to go around until you hear a little popping noise. And then you just press the button. Now today I don't know if it's going to do that or not. It's squeezing, it's squeezing. Let's see. I don't think it will open the can that fast, but it did. And there you have it. The Farberware. Place it on the can, press the button, and wait. And there you have it. You don't even have to fish the lid out of the container. It is on the opener. It is magnetic.